Meet Emma, a software engineer living in Glendora. Last week, she accidentally dropped her iPhone to the ground. Due to that mishap, the screen of her iPhone got severely damaged. Emma did not have Apple Care Plus, so she took her iPhone to a local repair store. But that store could not repair the cracked screen of her iPhone. Later Emma came to know about iTech Xpress from her brother John. John told her that iTech Xpress could fix all types of iPhone-related problems at reasonable prices. Emma immediately took her cracked iPhone to the repair store of iTech Xpress. The expert technicians of iTech Xpress repaired her iPhone within a day. Like Emma, do you want to fix the problems of your iPhone at affordable prices? Don't wait anymore, visit iTech Xpress. For more info, call them at 866-341-7192 or visit their website at itechexpressinc.com.